Question number 5 is find the range of these function fx is equal to first part is fx to 2x 2 minus 3x x belong to the real number, x is positive. See here, x is positive and x belong to the real numbers. X is real number but x is positive and the function is fx is 2 minus 3x. See here, see the number line here. What is where is x? This is 0 and this is infinity, this is minus infinity, 1, 2 and 3 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. See here, x is greater than 0 means x is not equal to 0. This point 0 is excluded and x is here. 1, 2, 3 means all the positive real numbers and 0 x is not equal to 0. Therefore, see, if we put the values, these value here, 1, 2, 3, suppose if we put nearly 0, then this very small 0 0.1, if we put 0 0.1, we subtract from 2 minus 0 0.3, it means very close to 2, very close to 2. This and the values will be then if we value put 1 2, it will be negative minus 1 2. If we put here 2 3s are minus, if we put here 2 minus 6 gives minus 4, if we put here 3 2 minus 9 is minus 7. So we get here negative values. If we give input of these numbers, we get all the negative numbers and very close to this 2, and all the numbers will lie along this side. The images will be here. This is positive. So this will be the set of images and this will be the domain. So domain of this function is 0 to infinity open interval. Therefore range of the function is not equal to 2. If very close to 0 means nearly equal to 2, so this is minus infinity comma 2, but or we can say minus infinity less than equal to x, less than not less than equal to but less than minus infinity less than x less than 2. So this is the range of this function we can understand from this number line here. See here the part 2, fx is equal to x square plus 2x is a real number. Now see on the real numbers on the set of. See here in the function x square is always, this is a perfect square, and when we put all these values we get either this value is 0 or a positive number, and minimum value of this function is 2. So the and all are greater than 2. So if we put all these values, so the domain of this function is a set of real number, and range, the set of images will be, we will start from 2 and all the others value, even if we put here negative numbers, it becomes a positive, so the value will be up to infinity. So half closed and half open. This is the range of this function. We can put here values, and clearly this is a perfect square, so all the values will be get positive and greater than equal to 2. So the range will become closed into 2 comma infinity. Now in the last part, see this fx is x. If we give x, again we get output is again the same number, so x is the real number, the output will also the same real number. So clearly domain of the function is set of the real number, and range of the function is also the same number, that is the set of the real number, because this is a identity function. If we give input here the set of real number, we get the same real number. So the same image. So x has the x image. So therefore this function is a this function is a identity function, and the domain is set of real number because x is a real number. Therefore domain is real. So if we give the input this, then we get the same numbers. So the range of this function is a set of real numbers.